Umitrang ba kajala Miguel Conrad Kesang Mau Lapante Bolayo Piang Yak report Junki Artli Regional Committee Kabakantop Junka West Castle District but Junka Boy District but Lapante Bomsham Patlayolat but pay but pulibnia yaka. Umitrang ba Lapan Pau Bahadian Mikil Dapan pulibnia Kinsakot Ikajelang but Kisang Sign Partay Kinong Idan Mantalang Kumjuru but Yakisang Balang but Hadin Pat but Kasokarasam. Hagaju Opor Umitrang ba I could play Kerpang Yikot but Kinoilam Junki Regional Committee Kibalala and Pandep Yakani Jinglate Banjurep Kajunki Harankat but
So the committees have just, two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from West Khasi Hills and one is from Rivoy district. And the committees have just submitted it about an hour back. So obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly because we want to call the stakeholders after this. And then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have traveled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail, and then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further at the earliest meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to a logical